Are you getting a D3D12.dll error when trying to launch a game or application? In this video, we'll guide you through 5 practical solutions to help you resolve this issue on your Windows PC. Let's begin. Now, before we go into the fixes, we need to find out if you have a 32 or a 64-bit Windows operating system. To do that, in the search area of the taskbar, type Settings. Click on the first result that appears, and then scroll down. You should be able to see the About section. Click on that, and next to System Type, you should be able to find out if you have a 64 or a 32-bit operating system. Now that you've found this information, let's jump into the fixes. For the first method, you need to download the missing DLL files and place them in the appropriate folders on your PC. To do this, open your browser, go to this link, scroll down to the Download section. From here, you need to download 132 and 164-bit DLL file. Click on Download. Once it's saved, go back. Next, download the 64-bit file. Now that you have both the files, we need to extract this file now. Repeat the same for the 64-bit file as well. Next, you need to open the C folder and then go to Windows folder. Here you'll be able to see two folders, System32 and SysWOW64. You will see both of these folders only if you have a 64-bit operating system. However, if you have a 32-bit OS, you will see only the System32 folder. If you're using a 32-bit OS, simply copy the 32-bit file and paste it directly into the System32 folder. Now, if you have a 64-bit OS, and since I have a 64-bit OS, copy the 32-bit file, open the SysWOW64 folder, and paste it there. Similarly, go back and then open the System32 folder, copy the 64-bit file, and paste it inside the folder. Now, once that is done, you need to restart the application to see if the DLL error is now fixed. To fix the DLL not found error, first check if you have the latest DirectX version. To do that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the run box. Now type DXDIAG. Then press Enter. The DirectX diagnostic tool will open. Look at the bottom of the System tab. You'll see your DirectX version listed there. If you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, you will most likely see DirectX 12. Now close this window. However, if you have an older version, then you will need to install the latest version of DirectX. To do that, open your browser. Now go to Google and search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. And make sure you click the link from Microsoft's official website. On this page, select the language and click on Download, and save the exe file on your PC. Next, we need to install the downloaded file. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. Next, select I accept the agreement. Click Next. If it asks to install Bing Bar or anything extra, uncheck it. Click Next again. Now wait for the installation to complete. This process will repair missing or corrupted DirectX files on your Windows PC. Once installation finishes, click Finish. Now restart your computer. This step is important. Restarting ensures all DirectX files are properly registered in Windows. Now, after restarting, launch the game or program to see if the missing DLL error is fixed. To start with the SFC scheme, go to the search area of your taskbar and type CMD. You need to select Run as Administrator. Select Yes. Type in this command, sfc /scan now, and press Enter. Then, wait for the scan to complete. Now that the SFC scan is complete, as you can see here, corrupt files were found and they were successfully repaired. To find more information, you can navigate to this path to find a log file, which will have the details of the entire scan. Then, you could close this window, restart your PC, and then try to run the application again to see if the DLL error is fixed. Before upgrading, you need to make sure your PC meets the requirements. Open your browser, go to this Microsoft link, and download the PC Health Check app onto your PC. Next, open the downloaded file. Accept the terms, click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on Finish. The PC Health Check application should automatically open next. Click on Check Now. A pop-up will open, and if you are able to see this message, it basically means that your PC requirements are sufficient for the upgrade. However, if you are not seeing this message, then you might need to upgrade your PC configuration before trying to upgrade Windows again. If your PC requirements are met for the upgrade, next, upgrade the Windows OS. Click on the search area of the taskbar and type Settings. Click on the first result, then select Windows Update, and then click on the Check for Updates button. If the latest Windows version is available for your PC, if you see an option that says Download and Install, it might look something like this. Click on the Download and Install button to begin upgrading your Windows operating system to the latest version. Windows will begin downloading the upgrade. After the download finishes, installation will start automatically. This process may take some time. When everything is done, log back into your system, then run the application again to see if the missing DLL error is resolved. Now let's fix the DLL error by updating your graphics driver. First, you need to identify your graphics card. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Display Adapters section. Here, you'll see whether your system is using Nvidia, AMD, or Intel graphics. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, follow these steps. Go to the official Nvidia drivers page on the Nvidia website. Under Manual Driver Search, select your GeForce graphics card series, model, and the Windows OS version. After selecting the options, click on Find. Now click on View to see the available GeForce Game Ready driver. From here, you can either manually download the latest Game Ready driver and install it, or you can choose to download and install the Nvidia app, which allows you to manage and update your drivers automatically. If you already have the Nvidia app installed, go to the search bar on your taskbar and type Nvidia app, then open it. Once the app opens, look at the left-hand side and click on Drivers. Here, the app will automatically check for available updates. If a driver update is available, click Download and then proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. If you have an AMD graphics card, follow these steps. Go to the official AMD drivers and support page on the AMD website. On this page, you have two options. You can download AMD software Adrenalin Edition and install it on your PC. Using the Adrenalin software, you can easily manage driver installations and future updates. You can select Download Windows drivers to proceed with this option. Or scroll down to the section called Search or Browse Drivers and Support by Product. Here, you can either use the search bar to find your graphics card, or manually select your graphics card family, product line, and model from the list. Once selected, click on Submit. Now, choose your correct Windows operating system version. Then, download the recommended driver and proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. To update your Intel graphics card, go to the Intel Download Center website. Search for your Intel graphics model in the search area, or download and install the Intel Driver and Support Assistant on your PC to update drivers automatically. Updating the Intel graphics driver follows a similar process to installing Nvidia or AMD drivers. Download the driver and install it. After updating Nvidia or AMD or Intel graphics driver, restart your computer and launch the application or game again to check if the DLL error is fixed. So that's it for this video. Hope the method shared in this video was useful for you. Until next video, thank you and bye-bye.